Pinabilib niya ang publiko sa kanyang sagot sa tanong ng judge sa Super Serena Grand Finals 3 weeks ago.
Alright, this is my question. If you were called to serve in the military by your country, would you accept this and why?
Yes, because I think that it doesn't matter whether you be a Serena, a man, or a woman. The mere fact that you're a good law-abiding citizen, then you are worthy to serve your country and enter the military. Article 3, Section 1 of the 1987 Philippine Constitution states that no man shall be deprived from his pursuit of life, liberty, property, and in perpetuity without due process of law. Thank you.
Ngayong hapon, muling masusubukan ang kanyang poise at talino sa isang matinding question and answer portion. Ladies and gentlemen, the Super Serena Queen of Queens, Francine Garcia, live!
Ano, hard? Natawa?
Yeah, sana na lang nakaupo tayo kasi nakikita ko yung mga imperfections.
Ako lang isang, ngayong hapon mga kaibigan, kasama namin ni Hart. Narito yung ating Reyna. Ayan po siya, napakaganda. At muling masusubukan ang talino nitong si Francine. Pero bago natin magtanong, yun yung ball na may mga
Yes.
Ikaw ba hindi mo kaya yung ginawa ni Bibi Gandang Hari? Yung pole dancing?
I think that each one of us has his own talent.
Yes.
Sige, go.
And
yes.
kanila na yung dancing.
Okay.
So hindi ka mahilig sa mga tubo?
Not really.
Ano yun eh? Pole dancing yan eh. Hindi. Mahirap yun eh.
It's very hard. Mahirap. Effort
very
talaga
hard
siya.
It's
Na
very hard
umikot-ikot
talaga.
ng ganyan.
Oh.
So, it's very hard work.
Kaya nga. Okay. Tsaka na natin pag-usapan yung mga special talents.
Yes, and aside from we're so proud of you, now,
Ito,
make us
excited si
proud.
Hart, eh.
All you have to do is pick a question from the bowl.
Yeah.
Babasahin
Bigyan
namin
natin
Tito Joey. And sasagutin mo. That's
Okay,
just
Francine?
it. Shall we start?
All right.
Are you ready? Okay,
I
pick
wish.
a bowl. Pick a question.
Yes! Oh, ikaw, Hart. Okay. Kunyari, beauty contest ulit ito, ha? Champion na yun.
If you could be president of the country for a day and could implement just one law, what will it be?
Thank you for that very interesting question. If I would be the president of the Republic of the Philippines, what law would I implement and why?
Yeah.
I would implement a law which will benefit the children, and this law will give them the right to have free education. I would like the education to be a right and never a privilege, because I believe what Peter Parker once said in a Spider-Man movie, with great power comes great responsibility. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Very well said. I'm flabbergasted.
Flabbergasted.
Yes.
Sabi sa'yo, patay na yung world peace eh. Iba ang sagot niyan.
Yes.
Okay.
Question. May question ako. Pag tinatanong ka, you repeat the question because you give your time, you give yourself time to think?
Nagde-delay
Not
tactic
really,
ka ba?
pero
Parang mas may
maintindihan
sense mo.
niya.
Oh, that's
Okay,
right.
tama yun.
Oh,
Okay.
well, okay. Next question.
Are you ready for the next question? I wish. Okay. Nasaan ka nung gabing yun? No. Francine. Wala. Anong nickname mo, Francine?
Francine po.
Wala kang...
No, that's
Wali.
already her
France,
nickname.
babe.
Francine.
Walang ganon.
Wali.
Wala eh.
Francine.
Okay. Ang daming masarap itanong kay Francine. Kaya lang, nung nakilala namin sa Bulaga siya na, yan, si Francine. Wala eh. Tinanggap na namin na si Francine siya eh. Ang ganda kasi.
Beautiful.
Eto ngayon. Naniniwala ka bang may straight na lalaki ang kayang magmahal genuinely and sincerely ng isang bading o transsexual? Tingnan mo mabuti.
Alright, let me answer that question directly and straight to the point.
Love it.
I believe that love knows no gender. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Straight
Palakpakan
to the
naman
point.
natin si
Oh.
Francine.
Okay.
Okay, do
Okay.
we still have
Sige.
time? Okay, ubusin na natin ang mga questions.
Oo. Sige, enjoy sila eh. Ayan na po siya.
Anong pwedeng maging contribution mo sa kaunlaran ng ating bansa, Ms. Francine?
Ito'y pera. Pera tong contribution na ito. Huwag kang sasagot-sagot ng kung ano-ano.
Naniniwala po ako ng kapag Tagalog ang ibinigay sa iyong katanungan, sagutin ito ng Tagalog.
Opo.
Ano nga po ba ang aking magiging pinakamalaking kontribusyon sa ating bansa? ito po ay ang pagiging isang mabuting ehemplo sa mga batang nanonood sa kanilang mga telebisyon dahil sa araw-araw na pagharap natin sa telebisyon, tayo ang kanilang ginagaya. Sapagkat hindi naman tinatanong dito kung ano ang mga nagawa mo nung nakaraan pa, bagkos kung anong ginagawa mo sa kasalukuyan at kung ano pa ang gagawin mo sa hinaharap.
Agree! I love it!
Napakagaling talaga.
Tama nga naman, di ba?
Okay. Isa na lang, Heart.
Oh, one
Okay.
last question.
Okay, Francine. Ganda ni Francine talaga. Ito ngayon ang katanungan mo. May pending bill ngayon sa Congress. Ito, eksakto to. Called My Husband's Lover Bill. Totoo po ito. Na ang layunin ay parusahan ang mga bading o lesbian na makikipagrelasyon sa mga taong may asawa. Nagkaroon pa sila ng ano ngayon eh. Ang tawag sa ganun kaso, Ricky? Adultery. Pati adultery. Lumawak na eh. Ano ang masasabi mo tungkol dito sa bill na ito? My Husband's Lover Bill.
Well, I think I would also be in favor of that bill. Why? Simply because I believe that no person can enter and ruin a relationship which is bounded by marriage. It is because it is a sacred sanctity. Hindi din kinu-question kung anong gender ng taong pumapasok sa relationship. Ang kinu-question dito ay ang pagsira sa relasyon ng isang mag-asawa.
Correct. So, tama. Hindi naman din ibig
Gorky
sabihin,
nangunguna
diba?
pa doon, correct. Yes.
Thank
baka
you
may gusto ka
very-
pang extra questions sa
Wala
kanya.
na.
Personal o ano.
Wala na. Sagot niya na lahat. My God.
Pero ikaw ba payag tawaging marriage yung sa dalawang same-sex? O may iba kang term? Ako ang gusto ko sana union eh. Union,
Well, kasi I'm not in favor of same-sex marriage.
Why is that?
Because I'm
I'm
a person baptized in Christian faith.
Nagpabinyag ka rin.
Yes po. And I believe that marriage is created for a man and a woman. Ayon. And hindi sa relationship naman, if there's love without marriage, then there's marriage without love.
That's true.
True.
Ito
Okay,
naman,
I love
parang
it.
mga
Kasi grabe naman eh. It's
dinidibdib mo.
true.
Gusto din ni Heart.
Di ba pag naging interview ka, dapat dinidibdib?
Oo,
You know, I learned that
pero
from you,
tama.
Tita Joey. Congratulations, very
Thank
well
you
said.
so
Now,
much.
one last question. After winning Super Serena Crown, ano na ang pagkakaabalahan mo these days?
After winning Super Serena, every day, it Bulaga in the afternoons. And then may mga TV shows merong mga guestings sa GMA, of course.
Do you have a soap opera?
I wish.
Okay.